I teach Project Lead the Way. We call it PLTW, and it is a nonprofit organization that creates project-based STEM curriculum for pre-K all the way up through high school. Here at the high school, we are in the engineering pathway, and we offer a variety of classes. We've got some CAD modeling classes, civil engineering and architecture, digital electronics, and computer integrated manufacturing. So I'm also a Skills USA co-advisor with Chad McFarland, and that is an organization that really looks to connect students with their future careers, whether it's in the skilled trades or kids who are college bound. It looks at the career and tech ed area as a whole and just gives a lot of opportunities for those students. The Illinois State Board of Education, they do this kind of awards grouping that they call Those Who Excel, and I received the Award of Meritorious Service.
So please welcome Tiffany here, Mrs. Beard, the winner of the Those Who Excel Award.
That award is for people who have kind of taken their skills and their knowledge and taken on a leadership role for the betterment of the school as a whole, and even really tried to strive into those unknown areas for things that aren't necessarily in their wheelhouse. So they kind of look at, does it affect just my students in the classroom, or how far outreaching it is, and is it able to be recognized by other students and my peers and my administrators. You kind of go into teaching never expecting anything like that. We do it, you know, for all the things that we can see, but I don't need to be recognized, but it really does just make everything just feel worth it, that I know that my students are being impacted, and that has always been kind of my goal, is to take skills and help spread it as far as we can throughout the CTE portions of our school and just give everybody an opportunity to be a part of it so that they can just jumpstart their careers. We've got like 45 kids who qualified to go compete at state for Skills USA. And we just had kids, they spent 2 days in Springfield doing advocacy training. They talked to legislators, they met the representatives, you know, from both the Senate and the House, and that was all through Skills USA, just to be able to advocate for CTE education. I just love this organization and everything that it allows them to do and grow as a student and as people. We've got a couple of state officers. They decided, hey, I want to try to do that. And I said, well, let's go. So they campaigned, they got on, and we get to do all these amazing things, and I've got to see them flourish. That's honestly the best part of all of this, is just seeing how they are outside of school, and everything that we do really matters. You know, it takes a village, and it really does. And I've got a student who is wanting to compete in photography. I do not do photography, but we've got two of my colleagues in the building who it's very much up their alley. They've taught that, they are design people, they're graphics people, and they're his mentors for this competition. And they're going to be the reason that he can, you know, just stretch his skills and be great. But yeah, it's just making those connections with kids and opportunities. It is really rewarding. Absolutely.